Welcome to our tutorial on cleaning the chain of your motorcycle bike. Keeping your chain clean and properly lubricated is crucial for ensuring smooth operation and prolonging its lifespan. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to clean your motorcycle chain effectively. Before you start, gather the necessary supplies: a chain cleaning brush or tool, chain degreaser, clean rags, lubricant, and optional protective gloves. Park your motorcycle in a well-ventilated area with enough space to work around the chain. Lay down some old newspapers or a mat to catch any drips or splatters. Before cleaning, inspect the chain for any signs of damage, excessive wear, or tight spots. If you notice any issues, address them before proceeding with the cleaning. Spray chain degreaser onto the motorcycle chain, focusing on the inside where dirt and grime accumulate the most. Be careful not to overspray onto other parts of the bike. Use a chain cleaning brush or tool to scrub the chain thoroughly. Move the brush back and forth along the entire length of the chain to loosen and remove dirt, grease, and old lubricant. After scrubbing, use a clean rag to wipe off excess degreaser from the chain. Make sure to remove all the loosened dirt and grime. Use a low-pressure hose or a spray bottle filled with water to rinse the chain and remove any remaining degreaser and dirt. Be careful not to use high-pressure water as it can force water into the chain seals and cause damage. Once rinsed, use a clean, dry rag to thoroughly dry the chain. Make sure there is no moisture left on the chain to prevent rusting. With the chain clean and dry, apply motorcycle-specific chain lubricant evenly along the entire length of the chain. Turn the rear wheel slowly to ensure the lubricant penetrates all the chain's links. After applying the lubricant, use a clean rag to wipe off any excess lubricant from the chain. This helps prevent attracting dirt and debris. Take a few moments to inspect the chain to ensure it's clean, properly lubricated, and free from any issues. Also, check the tension of the chain and adjust if necessary. Congratulations! You've successfully cleaned and lubricated the chain of your motorcycle bike. By following these steps regularly, you'll keep your chain in top condition and ensure a smoother, safer ride.